Hi, welcome and welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's make some okra or okra stew. I will have all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access. In my blender, I have some carrot, green bell peppers, onion, ginger, and I'm going to blend this into a chunky consistency. In a pan, I have about quarter cup of palm oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And I'm going to be adding the blended ingredients and cook for about 10 minutes. I will add frozen garlic and herbs that I've already blended, and I'll also add some crushed tomato and a little bit of freshly grinded garlic, and I'll stir to combine and cook for about 15 minutes. For this recipe, I'll be using frozen okra. You can use fresh okra as well. I'll add a little bit of water to loosen it up, give it a stir and let it cook. At this point, I'll be adding my seasonings. You can add any seasoning of your choice. So I'll add my seasoning and give it a quick stir. If you are using a frozen okra like I use, you want to allow the okra to thaw, then you can chop or you can blend, whichever way you prefer. I blended mine into a consistency that I like. I'm just going to use my spoon to agitate it a little bit to get it a little slimy. And I'll be adding some frozen spinach as well. There are so many ways to make okra soup or okra stew, and the method I'm using will not make your soup or stew to be slimy. There are other ways to make it to get it very slimy if you prefer that. At this point, I'm going to be adding my protein. I'm using some tilapia, baked tilapia, and some baked salmon that I made in the house. I have a recipe on how to bake your own fish on the channel already. You can also add your fish directly to the stew when you are making it. I don't want them to break, so I decided to add them after I added the okra and the spinach. I also added some freshly chopped onions for flavor and freshness, and also seasoning with salt. And I'm going to let it simmer for 5 minutes on low heat, and our okra or okra stew will be ready. You can serve this with any side of your choice. I serve mine with some ewokble. I have a recipe where I made ewokble on the channel already, so please check it out. You can serve with this kenke or banku. You can also eat this with rice. It is not slimy, so it looks like a stew. So it goes very well with a lot of things. Thank you for joining me on this delicious adventure, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment. This helps my channel a lot, and I appreciate you for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.